Hello, this is the Intelligent Cleaning Robot from the Everybody Hit Robot Group. Now, it's actually pretty awesome, and I've already set it up so you can see what it looks like set up. Now, it comes packaged in this box very nicely. And as soon as you get it, it's got all the specs in the back of everything you're going to get. You get a lot with this. You're going to get the actual robot itself, the base, and then you're going to have extras. It comes with the directions that are very clearly printed. You have an extra filter as well as extra little sweepers, and I'll show you what these are in a minute. You actually get 3 of these. Then you also get a cleaner. The cleaning brush is great because it's going to get in all these cracks and crevices. Now, it also has an extra pad on it. Now, this one is actually pretty cool because this mops your floor. Yes, I said it. It mops your floor. I have not known one of these vacuums that has been that intelligent to mop a floor. It also comes with a screwdriver, so you can go ahead and switch everything around. Now, it's protected very well. But even if you were to have an issue with it, all you have to do is contact your seller, and they would take care of any issue you may have. It also comes with a 2-year warranty. Now, that is absolutely awesome. Now, the machine itself, we're going to get right down to. Please excuse, I need this machine because I not only have MS, but it's hard to vacuum sometimes. But I also have a dog, as you can see, with all the dog hair up here. Now, we're going to wipe it off. It's got just this really nice soft texture to it. And there we have the high definition camera. Now, it's very cool. We got all these sensors. All these are sensors all the way through here. And then this is where it charges through the base. Then, of course, you have these little things I was telling you about, the little brushes. You do get extra with it. Now, there's several different modes of cleaning. And the cool thing about it is you don't have to set the mode of cleaning unless you're going to wash it, you know, shampoo the floor or, mop the floor. Then you want to set it. But this one actually sets itself. It is that intelligent. It's a little mini robot. It's got the bristles at the bottom, which are now covered in dog hair, and then these wheels have rubber on it, so they adjust to any floor on their own. It has an on-off switch and then a charging port. The charging port is what you want to charge. I do believe it's for the first 12 hours. You want to stick your charging thing in here and charge it for 12 hours before you actually turn it on and use it. Right now I have it on the on setting, and I'm going to focus in right here. This is the charging base. This is where it charges. It just goes right into there, and this lights on. It normally does stay blinking because what it's doing is it's keeping your robot charged. And it is a robot. It is highly, highly intelligent. Let's see. Now, it also comes with a remote that you can control it with, which is awesome, especially if you want to pick up anything you see on the floor and you just don't feel like making it go through its cycle. Now, the other cool thing about it is it's got its own app. Now, it is an Android app, so it doesn't work with my iPhone, but it works with any is it Android, Allie? Android. The app is called Sweet Home. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. In order for this to run, you have to make sure that this light is on. It is normal for it to be blinking. Now we're going to start it. And I don't know if you can hear that. It's not as loud as most other ones you see out there, the other top dollar ones. The difference from this one is highly intelligent. It learns the room on its own. It studies it, and here we go. Let's go to the app and see if you can see what I'm seeing. Here we go. I'm going to stand right in front of it. There I am. and it's actually going to not hit my feet because it sees it. And once again, I can see it here. Now the cool thing about this is I want to control it. There we go. And I could even control the camera. There it is. Now that is crystal clear. I've never seen one that has it that clear. It is extremely clear. Now how cool is that? So no matter where you're at, you can see what's going on. You could be at work and decide you want to vacuum? Sure, why not? Let me go ahead and vacuum. And you could be doing this. I don't think your boss would like it, but you get it done. Now, the other cool thing is it picks up very, very nicely. Now I'm going to take some, let's see, some little Rice Krispies so you can see how well it picks up. Let's see, let's bring it over here. And we're just gonna put some right there. Now I am gonna go ahead and control it so you can see the pickup. Now it's doing it itself. It detects dirt on the floor. I'm not even kidding. And it goes in a circle and goes back and forth until it's done. How awesome is that? Now it's going to go over and pick the rest of the stuff that it messed up. Now if it is too close to the wall or to a solid, then it will not go too close to it. Now I'm going to, as you saw, it picked up right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take it to the charger. Say it's done doing its job. I want you to see how it actually charges itself. And it charges itself. It's rather cool. I'm going to go right here and click charge. Now what it's going to do, I just rammed it in the wall for the second. It's going to find its base on its own. Now it is learning. With every house it is new and learning, so it will take it a while to find its home, but you just got to make sure that the base is closed. Let's see, here we go. He's still learning. I just moved it, so he is still learning where his place is. Now it does take about a minute before it actually finds its base, because what he's doing is he's actually lining up with the floor. There we go. There he goes. He's got to line himself up. Now this is cool. Everything that he is doing, you can see right there. I've actually messed with the contrast, but you can see right there. He's slowly lining it up. Now the beeping that's going on is the receiver actually talking to the robot, saying, "Come on in, buddy." There it is, and it is charging, which is always cool. Now you can control it with this. You can set the time and day, what days you want it on, what days you want it off, and you don't have to worry about him going over top of, as you can see, I have a little lip right over there. You don't have to worry about that because it'll go over top of pretty much anything. Now, let's see. We're going to check out my mess. Now, what you want to do is you go over here and you turn it off. before you do anything else. Now, to open it, you simply take this, push down, and pull out. And good Lord, there's the mess. The mess is dispensed right here on this tray. And what you do, oh, as you can see, I've got a bunch of dirt right down there. Now to empty it, you can simply dump it over. As you see, it filled right up here, but it also filled up at the bottom, and that is where we have the filter. As you can see, I've got a big mess. You can tell it's definitely being used, which is awesome. Now, once that's done, you clear the filter out and everything. Let's see, this part is really nice to have because I do believe this is the part that fills up with water as well. You simply take it and click it right into place and you're done. It is really nice to have. Let's see, we're gonna let it go right on the charger again. And when it shows start, that's how you know you're good. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it one last time. I'm gonna start it up. There we go. Its wheels adjust completely to it. And then there it goes to the carpet. I even have shag carpet that it goes on, and it's no problem at all. And as you can hear, it's not that loud. It is a definite 5-star product for not only its intelligence, but for its cleaning capabilities as well.